Welcome to a journey through two of the Philippines' remarkable provinces, Bulacan and Benguet. I'm Gian Chanzi Fernandez from TH1A. First, we delve into Bulacan, located in Luzon's Central Plain, known for its rich history. Bulacan was a key site in the Philippine Revolution and the birthplace of the country's first president, Emilio Aguinaldo. Unique for its heritage and culture, it's famous for traditional crafts like parol and delicious food such as bagoong balayan. Next, we explore Benguet, nestled in the Cordillera region, renowned for its cool climate and scenic mountain landscapes. Benguet is the gateway to the highlands and to the home to the famous strawberry farms in La Trinidad. Its history is deeply intertwined with indigenous cultures and its cuisine features specialties like pinikpikan and fresh vegetables. From historical Bulacan to the highland charm of Benguet, these provinces offer a rich tapestry of culture, history, and flavor. Thank you for watching. Choose tourism, choose you.